Video this is, okay. So now we put some heat on the pan first. It helps us to cook. We want to break those apart because we've got all these little cut up pieces. Alright, we just want it to kind of cook down. We're like a little bit below a medium high. And we're going to let those brown up and stuff. We're going to get those greases, but then we're making, next thing we have to do is saute. But I like to put butter in there, real butter, not margarine. And it's going to add a blend of fats that'll be phenomenal. Okay, there's no coffee when you're video making. So, it is good.
So when do you add the butter?
So, when I get closer to my ready, but you see how they were still getting, so you can see you're going to get stuff on the bottom of the pan. This is why you don't do it in a microwave, because you can't recover that. So when we get ready to deglaze this, I'm going to take some white vinegar and bam, it's going to pull that stuff up there. We'll pull it in. It's going to make us gag.
You get the crunchy stuff.
We want to get that it's flavor.
Yeah.
So you look at that down there. See that brown stuff?
Flavor.
That's called flavor. The other thing, how you spell flavor? F-A-T. So we want the fats and the flavor. So we want to pull those brown things. So while we're here,
Get the fork.
so these guys are soft, perfect. We're ready for it. These guys are ready. We'll pull them off here. Coming over hot.